Easy indexing. Here's a quick video on how I usually index my rear mech with a couple of tools. Meron akong Allen key, long nose, and a screwdriver. And as a quick reference, sa left side, yung malaking cog, yun yung low. And sa right side, yung maliit na cog, yun yung high. Next thing you would want to do is pre-stretch yung cable para matanggal yung slack from the length of the cable from the shifter down to the mechanism. This is essential para pag nag-shift ka from the high gear to lower, so from maliit to malaki, mahila yung mechanism ng maayos. Okay, and in addition to that, make sure na naka-screw in yung fine adjustment screw by turning it, just like any other screw, clockwise. So papasok. So after ma-pre-stretch yung cable, ang gagawin naman natin ngayon is tanggalin lahat ng slack from the cable itself. So i-relax natin yung cable by shifting down, by shifting up to the smallest gear, and with the use of the Allen wrench, tanggalin yung mount ng cable. Pull the cable with your hand, just like what I'm doing now, para tama lang yung tension. And once na mahila ko na ng husto yung cable, I screw it back in to secure it in place, just like this. Alright, so well tensioned na yung cable. And again, very essential to make sure na may exact or correct amount of tension yung cable before you screw it back in. Pretty much natitimpla na maayos yung shifting from here. Well, it starts here. Okay, so once nakascrew na yung cable or nakalock na yung cable in its place, ang susunod naman natin gagawin is to adjust your high limit screw para hindi mahulog yung chain sa frame pag nag-shift tayo to the harder gear. And to start off, isabit mo yung, ilagay mo sa maliit na cog yung derailleur, and then isabit mo yung derailleur din sa malaking cog. I know mahirap i-explain, pero kung titignan mo yung ginagawa ko, this will allow the cable to slack, and napakadali niyang matanggal after that. Here we go. So makikita, mahihila mo na siya, so madali na siya tanggalin. And then pag inikot mo yung crank, bababa ulit yung gear mo to the harder gear. Okay, now free na yung mechanism or the rear derailleur to go up and down. Makapag-start na tayo mag-set ng limit for the high limit screw. If you screw in the high limit screw, screwing in is clockwise, you will feel na aangat yung gear, aangat yung jump yung chain from the hardest gear to the next easier gear. So from 1 going to 2. Now we would want to set yung limit natin na eksakto lang nang bumaba yung gear to the first gear, na hindi siya lalampas. So this will avoid the tendency of your chain na pag nag-shift ka to the harder gear, mahulog siya sa frame or gumasgas sa frame. So there you go, just enough space na, just enough screwing out counterclockwise na yung kumbaga yung preset ng mechanism or ng rear derailleur is nasa first gear, nasa hardest gear. And what I'm doing right now is just a quick test. Panigurado lang na mabilis mahulog yung chain to the harder gear or to the hardest gear, yung pinakamaliit. Just small tinkering around to make sure na hindi parang delayed yung hila ng rear derailleur sa chain papunta sa hardest gear. So that's what I'm doing right now. Fine tuning lang, mukhang okay naman na siya. Okay, ngayong set na yung limit screws natin, it's time to get the cable back in tension. So just like a reversal nung ginawa natin kanina, isabit yung derailleur sa malaking cog, and ibalik yung cable housing, rear cable housing, rear derailleur cable housing. I think yun yung tawag doon. So anyway, at this point tinkering na lang, going up and down sa gears, checking kung may delay ba or sumusobra yung gear. Mararamdaman mo naman yun kung kumakain. What I'm doing right now is just playing around from one gear to another, going high, going low, going low, going high. And pag may nakikita akong delay from shifting from malaking gear papunta sa maliit na gear, what that means is kulang sa slack yung cable, which is not usually the case. Ang usual case is kulang sa tension yung cable, which is may delay yung shifting mo from maliit na cog going to the bigger cog. And to solve that, or para matimpla yon, is i-screw out yung barrel adjuster. So turn it counterclockwise, 1/4 na ikot or 1/2 turn or 1 turn. Depende sa needs mo, or depende kung paano nagre-react yung shifting dun sa actual movement ng derailleur. So yeah, fine tuning. And ngayon hindi ko man mai-tackle yung two other screws. Actually meron akong ginawang video previously about grinding gears, kung paano naman i-adjust yung B tension screw pag nagkikiskisan yung pinakamalaking cog dun sa derailleur pulley. And here's the link to that. And yeah, later on we will tackle the low limit screw, and after that the front derailleur. Right. I hope this has been informative, and till next time, bye.